This is your ears. This is your eyes. That's your nose. Where's your mouth? I'm not too sure that's the right place. That's just a snippet. We're going to see the full thing this week. No tutorial breakdown afterwards, just hypnosis. I'm going to explain why inside, so keep watching. Hi there, my name's Taran Mirza. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist. Usually every week for the last year and a half I've been doing showing off a little snippet of a larger set that I would do with someone in street hypnosis, and then break down in a tutorial fashion what's going on in the background to help people, whether they're hypnotists or just people interested in the mind, explaining what's going on in the background. I got a comment from a Nick Lask, you can see that comment there, and he was suggesting that, well, you know, it would be nice to see the complete set. So that's what I'm doing. It's Easter 2022, so happy Easter. Hope you're enjoying all your eggs and time off, if you got any time off from work. And as a break, thanks to Nick's prompting, I'm going to be doing for the next couple of weeks, I'm just going to show complete sets. When I started this YouTube channel, I just showed sections and sometimes complete sets of people in street hypnosis, and I had made the assumptions you could see exactly what's going on. Over time, people used to comment, you know, what's going on here, what's going on there, how's that happening? So I started to do the tutorials, and that's what I've been doing for the last year and a half. But I realized that some people just want to enjoy the fun side of it. As a hint, as a tip, if you are watching one of the tutorials after this video, or if you have been watching them, you can look in the description section. What I do is link all the small sections of each complete set in the description section below, so you can catch up with what's been going on with that individual to see the complete set. But obviously it's split up over various videos, and the discussion and tutorials are in between. So for the next while, for some people this is going to be a repeat if you've seen this skit before, but you'll see it unabridged and complete. But enough of me talking. That's it for this week. There's not going to be me coming back after the clip is finished to discuss it at all. So make sure you give the video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the big red subscribe button and that bell notification button next to the subscribe button so you get notified when a new video comes out from myself. And if you have any comments, please leave it in the comment section below. You know, proof of the pudding is this video and the next couple of videos are kicking off thanks to someone making a comment saying, can we see the full unabridged video? So I'm doing that, I'm responding to your comments. So if you have any comments, have any ideas, or have any questions, I can redirect you to the other videos if you need to. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I really love enjoying and reading your comments, so look forward to hearing from you and interacting with you through that comment section. And if you want to contact me directly, look in the description section also, because you'll find lots of ways to contact me through Facebook, Instagram, whatever. I do my best to circle through all those social medias and answer all your questions, so keep on connecting with me in whatever way you feel you can. So enough of that, let's watch the video. Enjoy your Easter. So, you haven't been hypnotized before?
No.
You happy to be hypnotized by me?
Yes.
Perfect. Excellent. Tell you what, and your name is?
Shanna.
Shanna. Look at your hand. Look at the lines in your hand. Pick one spot and one line. That's right. And as you look at that spot, just continue to stare at that spot as you hear all the sounds around you. As I push that hand towards your forehead, that's right. Just notice how your eyes begin to change focus. As your eyes begin to change focus, notice how that hand starts to float towards your forehead all by itself. That's right. There you go. Without any conscious thought on your part, that hand is starting to drift. That's right. You don't need to be aware if you're blinking or even the rate at which you're breathing. That's right. As that hand starts to move towards your forehead all by itself, getting faster and faster with every movement that moves past. That's right. Just allow that hand. That's right. You can close your eyes down now. As you go down deep inside now, your legs will support you, your back will support you as you go down even deeper still. And the deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting, sinking down even deeper still. Letting all the sounds around you, the music and people talking, just help to absorb you into this wonderful feeling of relaxation that you're in now. And in a moment your hand will drop down by your side. As your hand drops down by your side, you'll go down even deeper still. As you're unconscious now, it takes you to a place that even I couldn't take you to. So deep, so relaxed that everything I say will become your reality. That's right. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting, sinking down even deeper still. So in a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 you can open your eyes and be back with us. But every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your head will drop down to your chest, your eyes will close down, and you'll double this feeling of relaxation and hypnosis that you're in right now. Nod your head that you understand. When I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your head will drop down to your chest, your eyes will close, and you will drop down even deeper still. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. What was that like?
Yeah, it's okay.
Wasn't that cool? Look at me and sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. And the deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting, sinking down even deeper still. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3 again, and this time on the count of 3. When you open your eyes, you're going to feel so comfortable in this position you're in. So relaxed, so comfortable. It's going to be like your feet are part of the tiles underneath. It's going to be like you're stuck to the floor, like you're locked and cemented down. You will not be able to move, like you're glued stuck. Nod your head that you understand. The more you try to move those feet, the more those feet just lock and stick in position. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Having fun?
Yeah.
Now look what's happening to your feet now. Go ahead now and try and move those feet. Really try. Really try. And the harder you try, the harder it sticks. The harder you try, the harder it sticks. Really try. Really try. You are trying, aren't you? Well, it's not working, is it? No. And sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. In a moment, we're going to count from 1 to 3. And the count of 3, you're going to open your eyes. And you're not going to be feeling stuck to the floor. You'll be able to move your feet again. But just as quickly as you move your feet, you're going to realize you've lost your dragon's egg. That's right. You have lost the dragon's egg, and you have to look around. You have to ask people as they walk past. You will not leave this area, but you're going to ask people if they have got that dragon's egg. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes.
Where did I dragon egg?
Have you lost something?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, have you seen that? I got my egg on the side.
You live in a dragon egg?
Yeah.
I've seen some over there.
Check behind the statue. Maybe it's behind the statue.
I found a shoe.
You found a shoe, but it's not a dragon's egg. Maybe one of these people have it.
Sorry? I've not seen any dragon eggs.
Excuse me, sir, have you seen it? I had it and
I've never been asked that before, but no, I haven't seen anything.
I put it there. I don't know where it is. I think someone stole it.
No idea. Sorry.
What about these 3 over here? Ask these 3
Where
people.
did you set it down?
Look at me, and sleep now. Way down, deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. Drifting, sinking down. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. In the count of 3, when you open your eyes, you will no longer feel like you've lost your dragon's egg. But when I asked you who your favourite movie star is, when I asked you who your favourite movie star or favourite TV programme star is, you're going to tell me. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. How's it going?
Good, yeah.
Tell me this, who's your favourite TV programme star or movie star? Who would it be?
Probably Amelia Clark.
Who's that?
Amelia Clark.
Amelia Clark. Yeah. Sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3 you're going to open your eyes. You're going to see a lady with a black hat on. You're going to see a lady with a black hat on just standing in front of you. And she is Amelia Clark. Oh my goodness, she is your favourite star. And you've been dying to meet her and you didn't know she was coming to QCon, but you're getting excited. You feel that excitement building up inside you. Really excited. And you're going to want to ask her for an autograph. You're going to want to maybe get a selfie with her. You're going to tell her how much you love her stuff. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. So anyway, who's that? It's not her, is it? Is it? Go over and say hi.
Of course.
Wow. Where's your phone? Get a selfie.
Anybody has a phone? Yeah, use my phone. Alright, let's get a selfie.
Wow, isn't that lovely? Did you know she was at QCon?
Oh, I didn't know. I
Wow.
just come to see my friends. Oh, thank you.
This way. This way for the camera.
I haven't seen it, sorry.
it, like you actually get in and stuff, and sit down. Yeah, of course. Sir.
I know. Get an autograph. Get an autograph.
Yeah, like I
Here,
don't have
tell you what. I got a pen. Can you roll your sleeve up and get an autograph? There you go. Wow. Did you think you were going to get an autograph?
No, I didn't really think.
Wow. What do you think your best, movies are, TV programs are?
Well, like obviously Game of Thrones.
Exactly.
I
What
can't
else?
wait till I open the movie or Christmas movie comes out.
Yeah, wow. Tell her how much you love her in Game of
It's
Thrones.
just really, really good, like your acting and stuff, and like your character development, how everything's like broken woman to like this big,
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, I appreciate you coming here as well.
Isn't that cool?
Thank you.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Look at me and sleep now. Way down. Deeper, relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, the girl with the hat is no longer Amelia Clark. That's right. She's back to her old self. But on the count of 3, you're going to realise that the White Walkers are coming. They're coming, and you have to recruit people to fight against them. Everybody that comes past, you're going to have to try and convince them that you are putting an army together to fight against them. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Oh, what's happening?
Oh God, the White Walkers are coming.
Are they coming? What are we going to do?
Where's the dragons? Guys! The White Walkers are coming on my side, like we really need like recruitment and stuff, we need as much people as we can. We have like Jon Snow and Jorah Mormont, the dragons.
I know who all those people are.
Yes, thank you so much. We just can you spread the word because we need.
There's some more people coming. Get them.
Guys, the White Walkers are coming, so we need as many people as possible in our army. Would you be able to?
I can't right now, sorry.
You don't know how much your life is at stake right now. You don't understand.
What is it?
The White Walkers are coming from the north and they're attacking Winterfell. So we have all of our armies.
Sorry, I really can't. My husband's at a tournament down there.
We have fun being a White Walker, but you are trying to. Sir, would you? Please, your life is at stake.
Sure.
We really need people.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I do appreciate it.
All right, come back in here. Come back in here. Come back in here. There's that guy.
Sorry, would you be able to fight the White Walkers? We really need as many people as possible. And I don't know, how to. We have dragons, we have Jon Snow, but he isn't enough. We need you. Would you be able to join us?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Look at me and sleep now. Way down. Deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. And I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and when I count to 3, the White Walkers are no longer coming. You no longer need to recruit an army. But on the count of 3, when you open your eyes, you're going to feel. Has she got a drink? Has he got a drink? No. On the count of 3, when you open your eyes, you're going to feel really thirsty. You're going to feel really thirsty. But you will not be able to find where your mouth is. You will not be able to remember where your mouth is. Your mouth has just disappeared from its usual place and it's gone somewhere. It's totally ridiculous. And the more ridiculous place that is, that's the more exactly logical place it seems to be. That's right. Nod your head that you understand. You're going to feel really thirsty, but you will not be able to find out where your mouth is. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. How are you feeling?
I'm a bit thirsty.
Are you feeling a bit thirsty? Tell you what, take a drink. Take a drink. You will not spill. Try and have a drink. I thought you were thirsty.
I can't find it.
And when I click my fingers, it moves to a different place. Tell you what. That little kids game. Do you ever play that kids game with your mum? This is your ears, this is your eyes. Play with it now. This is your ears, this is your eyes, that's your nose. Where's your mouth? I'm not too sure that's the right place. Try again. This is your ears, this is your eyes, this is your nose. Where's your mouth? What do you reckon, guys? Is that the right place? No. And sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. Drifting, sinking down. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. On the count of 5, all hypnotic suggestions are going to disappear from your mind. You will no longer forget where your mouth is. You will no longer think the white walker's coming. You'll remember your name, and all hypnotic suggestions will disappear. But just as quickly as they disappear, you will feel full of confidence, full of energy, full of life. You're going to have a great time at QCon. You're going to have a great time the rest of your life, feeling confidence to do the things you want to do. So 1, feeling that feeling of hypnosis just disappear from the tips of your toes. 2, washing up through your knees, through your stomach, through your pelvis. 3, take a deep breath in now. Feel that energy washing all the way through you, right into your head, right into your sinuses, like a fresh mountain breeze blowing all the way through you. 4, 5, wide awake and stretch. There you go. Hey, how's it going? Big round of applause for the superstar. There you go. And do you remember everything that was happening? No? In a minute, I'm going to click my fingers, and when I click my fingers, you will remember everything that just happened in hypnosis. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, brilliant.
There you go. Do you want to thank the army for the white work? You were a brilliant subject. What did you think? Tell the camera, what do you think of hypnosis?
I think it was weird, but it's probably good.
Brilliant.
On the other side.
Brilliant. You're a great star. Another big round of applause, guys.